Hi everybody, and welcome to the School of Rocks. Today we're going to talk about citrine. Okay, and we'll just this around. There we go. So yeah, that is a big old cluster of citrine right there. Okay, and in another video I talk about the purple stone. That's amethyst. They are loosely related. They are, well, citrine as well as amethyst. Citrine is a variation on quartz crystal, which we'll talk about. We'll also talk about in another video. It is, yes, it's a variation of quartz crystal with basically iron and natural irradiation. That's what causes the yellow. Well, actually, so what I'm showing you right now is actually a heat-treated citrine. Okay, they would take amethyst. Okay, they take amethyst and heat it, and it becomes this yellow. Now, citrine does happen naturally, and that is what this is. Okay. And this may look a little like grayish, and some may think that it's smoky quartz, but you see the yellowish tinge in some of the others, and some of the darker ones. Actually, let me see. This is a really good example. Thank you, focus. That's appreciated. There we go. That is a perfect example of natural citrine, and this natural citrine comes from the Congo, the Democratic Republic of Congo in Africa. There we go. Come on. All right. Focus on this thing is a little iffy. Anyway, yes. So there are a couple different types of citrine. There's the natural, and then there's the heat treated. The ancient Greeks used citrine for mostly for jewelry, back as far as 300 BC, where a lot of the stone names like amethyst come from the Greeks. Citrine comes from Latin, citrina, which is Latin for yellow, or citron. So a couple of times I've already mentioned amethyst, and I'm going to zoom in on this piece because it's a pretty decent example. You see the little bit of yellow to it. Actually, we'll zoom in on this one. I know this one has a really nice spot. Yeah, see that? See that yellow just in between the reflection of the terrible fluorescent ceiling lights in here that we need to change. So, yes, that's citrine along with amethyst, and they call that ametrine. Some of the other locations where you can find citrine is, I mentioned the Democratic Republic of Congo. Another one is Brazil, and also in Eastern Europe, Western Asia, the North Ural Mountains. That's the big mountain range in Russia. Also there are deposits of citrine in Madagascar as well. All right. And another fun little fact about citrine is that it is the traditional birthstone for November. All right, So the metaphysical properties of citrine, it helps to boost your imagination, your creativity, and helps you to manifest things in life. It also helps to encourage creative manifestation, thinking outside the box in order to find different solutions to difficult problems. And traditionally, citrine has been a stone of abundance. Helps you to create abundance in your life. And abundance simply means having just a little bit more than enough in your life. Not an overabundance, not no need for the greed, but yeah, just a little bit more than you really need. And so citrine is a solar plexus stone, solar plexus chakra stone. It helps to boost your self-confidence, build up that center strength, that will, and also helps to bring inner peace in times of turmoil. Citrine is one of the few stones that does not absorb any energy. In fact, it transmutes negative energy into good, positive energy. And citrine also is really good for releasing the past, moving on from old wounds and old mistakes you may have made. Helps you to let that go, and teaches you that that's part of who you are right now. Everything that we've done in our past has created the person that we are right now, today. All right. Well, thank you for joining us at the School of Rocks, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.